Hello guys, my dinner for today is Japanese udeng. It's they have a daikon, radish, vein carved tofu, aburage, and what's called cake. Cake ba yan? What do you call this? Uh, um, ano ba tawag nito? Meron siyang itlog, meron siyang kamaboko, yan, kamaboko. Fish cake pala yan. Yan. Meron din siyang daikon, Japanese daikon. Meron din siyang potato. Hindi ko nga lang nalagyan ng beef. Kasi beef, ano ba yon, yung nerve? Wala eh. Wala dito sa Amerika eh. Wala akong nakita. Yeah, that's my dinner for today. Look at that, guys. Yummy. Wow. Japanese udeng. Ooh, so good. With mustard. Oh. Look at that, yummy. That's my dinner for today, guys. And